I can no think of nothing. And if my accent just offended you, I'm very sorry about that. I didn't mean to hurt your feelings. What's up, Radar Cars family? Let's discuss the new Z. The 7th generation Nissan Z is about to grace the US shores. I personally am excited for this new Z, asterisk. Let's discuss why. Firstly, it's a Nissan Z, a beloved icon of many of our pasts. In fact, what they did is they took all of the previous Zs and they put them into a blender, put it on high, and this is what came out. But before we discuss why the new design leaves me a little bit baffled, but curious, Z curious if you will, let's discuss the specs. But before that, some words of wisdom to upgrade your personal specs. But what it is a V6 engine with twin turbos and a manual transmission. With a good 400 horsepower, which is a cute amount of horsepower. It's adorable, especially in a small coupe like the Nissan. These are all awesome things, especially the manual. Great job, Nissan, because seriously, what kind of retro-esque sports car would not have a manual in it? GT500. Go! 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 You hurt me, Ford. You hurt me real good. You little rascals with your fancy schmancy little dial shifter. And also, Nissan could have caved to the climate change freaks and opted for a sissy spec 4-banger turbo, but they didn't. Niet, mon frères. Pardon my English. They went full-on V6, and they could have stopped there, but they didn't. They slapped on turb skis. That's right, 2 of them. High five, Nissan. And by the way, in Japanese, that's pronounced Nissan. Don't say your boy never did nothing for you. That's right, for all you new subscribers, your boy used to live and work in Japan. Alright, so Nissan said, and I quote, that the exterior is close to final. I like the design though. I do. It's passable. As in, I'm gonna pass on it. I kid. I do like it. It is passable. But for me to park my V8 and get into a V6, it has to be a lot more than just passable. Like, take the Supra for instance, which is a great redesign and a little beefcake on 4 wheels. But let's break down the Z. I like the front side profile. Really speaks Z to me. I love the side profile. Nailed it. Speaks Z to me. The front end speaks a different kind of Z to me. Especially that rectangle of a front grille. I mean, come on. It reminds me of a Japanese manga. Or a happy Pokemon.
Pikachu?
It's decidedly Japanese, that's for sure. But this isn't Japan. We don't drive cute cars here. We drive mean ones. Fierce ones. Not something that looks like it belongs in a Pokemon tournament.
Pika!
Attention aftermarket, all hands on deck. Let's get this monstrosity fixed up. Maybe something like this. So Nissan, please do something different with that grille. Like maybe burning it with fire. I do like the teardrop lights though. Ironically, the teardrop lights are the only thing that's keeping me from weeping about the front end. Let's discuss the back end. I'm a little bit confused by it. I'm not saying I hate it. I'm not even saying I dislike it. I'm just saying it should be treated like Nikki from the movie Casino. Like it's a mix between a crossover in a military vehicle and maybe a pinch of a Lamborghini Urus. They pinched Urus. Pinched Urus? No! I'm not saying that's a bad thing. I'm just saying I hope they completely redesign it from the ground up. But alas, I don't want to be too hard on it. Yes, it does a lot of things that I don't do, but at the same time, it does a lot of things that I do do. And I do manuals. 19-inch rims, twin turbskis, sexy modern interiors, and for handling, you know the Z's gonna rip. I can't wait to see the skid pad results. Interior. A great interior is often An afterthought when companies focus most of their efforts on performance and exterior. GT350, plastic. It's like donning an Armani suit while at the same time wearing used dollar store underwear. No! But not Nissan. The Z has a modern sports car cockpit. Gorgeous leather. Love the stripes on the seats. Love the stitching. The touch panel console. The digital dash. Those soft cover triple meter gauges that we all know and love. A plus Nissan, A++. Can't wait to see more. Can't wait to sit in one of these bad boys. As long as we do something about the face. She's got like a butter face. I like everything butterface. Sound, like a fierce cat. No, not a foaming at the mouth tiger. Not an angry polar bear. More like a really annoyed bobcat. Or like a seriously concerned alley cat. You know the ones that wake you up at 2 in the morning thinking there's a ghost under your bed. Sometimes I embarrass myself. Again, it's a passable sound for those of us who have been spoiled by our V8s. But for everybody else, I think it's spectacular. And I hope you can hear those turbos whoosh just like you could in my 2017 STI after I got a cold air intake. Which I do concede was a 4-banger, but it did have a big old turbo duct taped on for good measure. I can't wait to hear more of this Z. Alright boys, what do you think of the new 400Z? What do you like or dislike about it? Even though it's nearly complete, what would Nissan need to tweak for you to buy one? As always, let's discuss in the comments below. Alright boys, always remember the motto, always be kinder than necessary, and I'll see you in the next one. Y'all are awesome. The things I do for you guys. Some people call me loco. I say, loco, I'm not a train, man. Look, you win some, you lose some, okay? I can't be funny all the time. If you can't laugh with me, laugh at me. The only thing I don't like to do in the GT350, I can no think of nothing. And if my accent just offended you because I appropriated your culture, I'm very sorry about that. I didn't mean to hurt your feelings. You freak! Guys, today we're starting a brand new segment called Social Justice War. Guys, today we're starting a brand new segment called You'd think that would be easier to say. It doesn't roll off the tongue. Guys, today we're going to start a brand new segment called Social Justice Warrior of the Week. Here you go.